Here we are in the East Village. As an implant New Yorker myself, it's truly the heart of our mixing pot, which is where every immigrant in the 1800s through the 1900s moved to the East Village. We got music, we got art, and it's a little bit loud, but it wouldn't be the East Village if it wasn't. And here we are at the Fillmore at 525 East 11th Street, and we have here a bespoke, amazing renovation in apartment 34B. Craig Lighton, who is a very renowned architect, has created this one-of-a-kind duplex with a floating staircase attached to an amazing 1,100 square foot garden. This home has been completely renovated from top to bottom. No stud was left uncovered. This perfectly appointed chef's kitchen is a inviting lacquered white finish with maple interiors and pull-out gadgets and gadgets everywhere afar, finished with a full Miele package, including, as everyone knows, the coffee maker that's built into the cabinet, which will be where I live before, during, and after all meals. Arriving in your home, the first thing that one's going to really appreciate is being drawn to the floor-to-ceiling glass, which is in the living room, dining, and the open loft-style kitchen, taking you out to your private secret garden. It is an oasis of lush greenery, and it's 36 by 31, and it belongs to just you. Craig Lighton's incredible vision for a bespoke floating staircase really becomes a piece of art, a piece of sculpture that you can come home to every single night. It leads you upstairs to what is currently 2 bedrooms, but easily 3 bedrooms, as they have a double master, and 2 full bathrooms, laundry, and when you come home, you can wheel your luggage right into that floor.